How to factory reset your Grundfos SCALA2 Booster Pump. Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to factory reset your Grundfos SCALA2 Booster Pump to fix issues like alarms or performance glitches. Step 1. Turn off the power to the pump by unplugging it or switching off the circuit breaker to ensure safety. Step 2. Locate the control panel on the top of the SCALA2 pump, where you'll see the operating buttons. Step 3. Press and hold the up and down arrow buttons on the control panel simultaneously for 5 seconds. This resets the pump to its factory settings. Step 4. Plug the pump back in or turn the power back on. Then wait for the pump to restart and initialize. Step 5. Check the Grundfos I indicator on the control panel. A green light means the pump is operating normally. If it's red or yellow, consult the manual or contact Grundfos support. Step 6. If the reset doesn't resolve the issue, check for blockages or leaks in the system and ensure the pump is primed with water, as dry running can trigger alarms. If this video helped, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more plumbing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.